Can you see yourself in the 2023 Toyota Tacoma? Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.